Siblings are coming over tonight, so let's make some dinner. This dish is one of my favorite ever dishes that I ever make, honestly. Starting off with 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Season them with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Mix well. Now that the seasonings are evenly mixed in, you're gonna add in some cornstarch, which is gonna give it a nice crust. You can also use flour, but I do like cornstarch better. It should look like this, and then we're gonna pan sear this in avocado oil for about 4 minutes per side. In the same pan of the chicken, with all the chicken juice and oil, you're gonna add a tablespoon of butter. Once that's melted, add in some shallots and garlic. After a few minutes, we're gonna pour in some wine. This is my favorite one to use. It's from Trader Joe's. It's about $6, and Chardonnay is my favorite wine to cook with. If you can't drink wine, you can just skip the step. Chili flakes. Once majority of the wine has been cooked off, we're gonna pour in some chicken broth. Bring it to a boil, and then pour in some heavy cream. Bring it to a light boil, then we're gonna add in some chicken bouillon and some salt and pepper. Add in some grated parm. Gonna mix it up. We're gonna add the chicken back in. Don't forget the chicken juice. Forgot to add it earlier, but you're also gonna add some lemon juice. Place some lemon slices on top of the chicken. You're gonna cover it and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna add in some chopped parsley. I boiled up a pound of angel hair pasta. I'm gonna add some butter and a little pinch of some chopped parsley and mix it up. I also made an arugula salad that's just mixed with some olive oil, lemon juice, and some Parmesan. I could not help myself. I had to eat. It was so good.
But just the thought of taking care of them all.
Put one on your feet.
Literally heaven.
200?
Tell them all about their ticket.